I probably would not have stayed in this region if it wasn't for this tremendous opportunity. As a biomedical engineer, becoming more of an entrepreneur, I probably would have naturally gravitated to one of the larger hubs, Boston or San Diego or Bay Area type region. And I think that what we can do as a region is have a better connection between industry and academia. And I think that if I could speak to some of the manufacturers here and companies, that they need to do a better job of connecting with the universities. There's a lot of talent there, a lot of potential to do some new projects and do market research. And I think that's something that the region doesn't take as much advantage of, the great institutions that we have here.